Hello, Sis Nabila.
Hi.
Before you come here, what you do?
I joined the Indonesian ceremony.
Oh,
You not join?
I'm joined, but our line is different.
Where do you like?
I line in the first line.
I like in the third.
Oh.
Hi guys. Hi.
Hi.
What are you talking about? We're talking about Indonesian ceremony. Do you join? Yeah,
Yeah.
we join. When will the competition?
Maybe
18 August.
yeah,
And then after yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. But where?
At desa and then kecamatan.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it in the same site?
No.
Desa.
Desa is 13 August and then at kecamatan is 18 August.
All of you join. Yeah. All of us. Yeah, by the way, why your teacher is saying?
Yeah, because today
You
is
never tell me. Never, but you confused. Yeah. I never tell you, but you didn't tell me. Really. I'm so sorry. No problem. And Joy, what is your favorite competition?
my favorite competition in 17 August is Tug of War, tarik tambang.
Oh.
I like that because I can join with my friend and then we become win sometimes.
Where do you usually?
Uh, at Moscow.
Mosque.
Yeah, mosque.
Maybe I join.
Yeah,
One group.
yeah, one group.
Maybe
Not
Tasha. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you always join that agenda or sometimes because maybe if you don't have a friends to join you don't want to join.
Yeah, I join when I have friend for.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
I mean, my friends like Ila, Tasha, and how about you, Tasha?
My favorite competition is walking ring or wow,
Wee.
what I like it because it's so fun for me, and then I like to watch walking ring and the big office. Don't just like so tired. Not really, because you are exercise outdoor. Yeah, little bit tired, but do you always the get the winner?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we always get
Always.
the first.
Yeah. First step.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Oh, you joined last year.
Yeah, we join. And now we are
join.
joined too.
And then next year, you can.
Yeah, cannot because
Graduation.
yeah, we not at MTS again.
I really like to watch. Do you feel happy or sad when you graduation?
I feel happy and then sad because I feel happy because I can go to the new school, and then I feel sad because maybe I cannot meet my friend again.
Do you will you join senior high school later when you graduation?
I don't know.
You must join. And then Tasha, what? What else? I really like because I also join elementary I like school. Like me, I join. We join.
Yeah,
We get the
Nabila
first.
too.
We get the first. We get the kecamatan.
No,
Nabila never join.
oh yeah, because our group is different.
Yeah,
We have to,
she is group 2.
yeah, and we
How many people in group and she did first group? How many groups? Now.
now
Or in
one
elementary
group.
school? I don't know. I never go there. I mean you. I'm the first group. How many? How many groups? How many? Two.
I join with Tasa one group.
First group. And Nabila the second. Yeah. The second masuk di kecamatan only at desa at village. Okay, that's it. And how about you, Nabila? What is your favorite competition?
My favorite competition is, you know,
I don't know.
we look for the water.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I ever join too
yeah.
with you.
What is that?
We turn by leader 3 times. Turn.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Next.
And then after that we walk to look for the water.
Where did you look for the water?
At Pengan.
Under. What is it? A book.
And then
Why?
after we find the water, we will hit the water.
I know. You close your
Yeah,
eyes. Take the water. What do you call it in bahasa? What do you call it in bahasa? Your favorite?
Maybe
Yeah. You don't know. We just
Yeah.
know in English. Or cari air.
cari air.
In Sasa.
Jojo air.
Jojo air.
Google
I don't
Pantau air.
kan.
Pecahin air. Pecahin air.
Pecahin air.
Yeah, why do you like it?
Because I like it.
And we feel
only join.
and then after that we feel dizzy.
Yeah.
And because you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And after we turn and we hit the water and we wet. And then we go to
River for swimming.
yeah, because we wet. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
Why didn't you? Only. You never doing other competition.
Ever maybe.
Ever.
What else?
Dan tambang,
Ya dari tambang.
same like me.
Do you always get the winner?
Not always.
Yeah.
But sometimes.
What is the gift?
Money.
Money.
How much? Money. or
Maybe no. Book is speech.
Okay, it's just for birthday.
or like
Money.
money.
On yeah, money. Only
How
10,000.
Oh.
Uh,
one by one.
yeah, one by one.
And then
How about you?
And then
Ira?
how about you?
me.
What is your favorite competition?
Safe place.
Secret.
But I never I never do it. Sometimes when I was now I never because
You
I don't have a
suck.
friend. Yeah. Just
I never do it.
in Bahasa it's balap karung.
I never do it.
Yeah. I like to jump.
Oh, I ever
Use-
go to your
Yeah.
village in the Tojang, and then
You
many-
never see.
yeah, but you don't join. But your mother join, right?
My mother joined.
Yeah,
I don't know.
and then what is that?
I don't know. In bahasa is bawa itu what? Oh,
Keraro.
ya. Balap keraro, keraro.
She
No. She can to run. Can run. And then what else?
have you ever joined?
Yeah, I like to watch Nothing Great.
Yeah.
Same like
Have you ever joined?
Yes, I joined in elementary school.
When you use
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What did you
I-
we go to
I watch you.
we go to
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
village.
And then I see a video.
Video?
Yeah,
I never see the video.
I have
So I want to see.
I have
Joy,
the
I
video.
want to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
after that.
not
Later.
when we join page
Yeah, it's really tired exactly, but it's fun. I like it.
yeah, it's fun
Because we get
my
the winner. We get the second winner.
we get it first.
And you know, we are given 0.
Yeah,
Ah,
same.
Only
Only one, maybe only one water for
oh yeah, only
Yeah,
one.
all of us.
Yeah, and then maybe I want to bring, we gather there at 2 and then it starts at 5 or 4. It's so long.
Yeah, it's
We
long
are,
because we must
yeah, why they didn't say just gathering at 5 or
Yeah.
4? Why?
because if our teacher say 4, maybe we come at
Oh, yeah, yeah,
It's so late.
because we have to prepare ourselves. Yeah. And we go there, we went there with pick up.
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
same like us.
Yeah.
We go there, but it's really fun.
Yeah, it's really, really fun. I want to join again, but now after because I'm small at my school. Because all of my friends long, big, big body.
Like you like
Don't you join
I
No.
yeah, I ever joined that.
Yeah, but last year you didn't join. Why?
Yeah, because I don't know you doing.
I have told you.
I think only me join, not you. Not
Yeah,
this.
so I asked you to them, but you don't know.
So because I don't know you join.
So how about LEC competition, guys?
Oh, I just found invitation.
LEC competition.
When?
At
22
20,
August.
22, 20,
22
or 20,
22 until 23.
yeah, 23 August.
What will you do later?
We will
Uh,
give competition. Yeah. Like speech and then
sing,
what?
Sing,
dance,
Yeah,
Like
drama.
group. It's same like last year.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, sing.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Yeah, the most fun is when we yeah, I like. Why just one night? I want to 1 week.
Yeah. I want not one.
one month.
What?
Yeah. 1 year. 2 years.
Bored. It's really bored.
No, I like.
Yeah.
I like to
different
together with
place.
you.
Not the same place, but if you can to or 1 week, you will bored with the different place, and then
Yeah,
you don't
because
have.
we have to store.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
we must go to
Let's go.
exercise again. Yeah.
Ah, your exercise.
Yeah. Exercise.
Yeah, you are late. It's 4.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See.
Stay.